I'll show you how to resolve Mozilla Firefox hanging or not working on Windows 11. Launch the Firefox browser by searching for it in the Start menu or using a shortcut. Click on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of Firefox. Select the question mark icon at the bottom of the menu. Click on Troubleshooting information from the list. Scroll down on the Troubleshooting page and click Show Folder under the Application Basics section. Look for a file named places.sqlite in the opened folder. Right-click the file and select Rename. Rename the file to places.sqlite.old and confirm if prompted. Close Firefox completely. Reopen the browser. Firefox will create a new database file, which should improve its performance. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.